Yes. So module 3, first I will explain to you what is production function. Okay. Please take down that point. Production function shows the functional relation between input and output. This is a good question for objective. Production function shows the functional relation between input and output. And I will write one production function. Lego. Production function Q is equal to the function of A, B, C, D, etc. n T bar. A, B, C, D, etc. n T bar. A, B, C, D, etc. n T bar. This is the standard production function. This is the example of production function. Q stands for quantity of output. Lego. Q stands for quantity of output. Q stands for quantity of output. F stands for function. F stands for function. A, B, C, D, etc. up to N stands for input. A, B, C, D, etc. up to N, idhar tak, input. Input means raw material, labor, capital, all that. That is the input. T stands for T bar, not T bar. T bar means constant technology. T bar stands for constant technology. I told you now we are teaching exclusively from the examination point of view, so every topic is important. So quantity of output, how do we produce output? Output is produced with the help of input. What are the inputs? It can be A, B, C, D up to N. कितना भी input use कर सकता है. Plant, labor, capital, organization, raw material, सब कुछ input है. And along with the input, we are using one more thing, that is technology. But we are assuming that technology will remain constant. Because every now and then, if the technology changes, it will be difficult. So the technology remains constant. This is the standard production function. In the production function, now we are starting with properties of isocont. There are two types of production function. One is short run, other is long run. What is short run, what is long run? I will teach you in the law of variable proportion. There it will be useful. Here now we are directly entering into isocont. First you write the meaning of isocont. Lego. Isocont means equal product curve. Isocont means equal product curve. Isocont means equal product curve. Iso means equal, cont means product. That is isocont. Iso means equal, cont means product. So isocont means equal product curve. Question kaisa aayega? Isocont is also known as dash. Equal product curve is also known as dash. Like that question will come. Now one more line you take. Isocont can be, Lego. Isocont can be explained as various combination of inputs which gives same output. Which gives same output. So what is isocont? Padhiye. Various combination of, you can write two inputs, डालो उधर, two add करो. Various combination of two inputs which gives same output. This is important. Output remains the same. क्या change होता है? Input. Input change होता है, but output is remaining the same. What is the example of input? लिखो, labor, capital. Okay, labor, capital, land, ये सब input है. Input means labor, capital, land. Even organization, you can write any two, labor and capital. अभी आप एक example लिखो isocont का. ये लिखो, unit, it's a table. Labor, capital. Output. There are 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. नीचे 4 जाएगा. Okay, 1 unit of labor, 15 units of capital, 20 units of output. 1, 15, 20. Then 2 units of labor, 11 units of capital, 20 units of output. अब देखो output same होगा. Then 3 में 3 units of labor, 8 units of capital, 20 units of output. उधर जगह नहीं है, so I am writing to the right side. 4 unit, 4th unit में 4 units of labor, 6 units of capital, 20 units of output. 20 units of output. अभी आप the definition पढ़ो. Various combinations of two inputs. Two inputs are labor and capital. That is 1L plus 15K. किधर से मिला? From the table given below. 1L plus 15K gives us 20 units of output. Then 2L plus 11K gives 20 units of output. 3L plus 8 unit gives 20 output. 4L plus 6 units of capital gives 20 units of output. So what is changing? Inputs are changing. Output remains the same. Inputs are changing. Output remains the same. This is isocont. Now we are going to discuss the properties of isocont. उसके पहले आप isocont draw भी करो. We will draw isocont. Draw the isocont. I am drawing here. X-axis labor, Y-axis capital. Just like a normal demand flow, isocont. Normal isocont. सामने लिखो, isocont is downward sloping. Isocont is downward sloping. It is just like the normal demand curve. Okay. Now we are discussing the properties of isocont. The features of isocont. Features of isocont. फर्स्ट फीचर आप देख सकता है, isocont is downward sloping. Second feature, it is convex to the origin. Demand curve के जैसा it is convex to the origin. Take down the points. Third, they do not intersect each other. Fourth, they do not touch either the axis. Isocont दोनों axis को touch नहीं करेगा. I hope you have written down. Isocont is downward sloping. It is convex to the origin. They do not intersect with each other. Hello. And they do not touch either the axis. Now we are going to explain this. Draw the diagram. Isocont is downward sloping from left to right. See this. It is a good objective. Draw the diagram. You can mark 2 points. A. इधर K आएगा. Then take another point. Mark 2 points. A के ब्रैकेट में लिखो 20 यूनिट. हमारा जो पहले दिया वही टेबल. B also gives same output. अभी अब देखो, I hope you have drawn the diagram. You tell me at point A, how much unit of labor and how much unit of capital is used by the producer at point A. मैं लिख कर देता है, देखो OL1 plus OK1 मिला या नहीं. देखो ओ एक काम करेगा. दिस इज OL, it is not OL1, OL here. देखो OL plus OK. देखा होगा. At point A, producer is using, look here, OL unit of labor and OK unit of capital. Could you get it? OL and OK unit of capital. Output कितना मिला? What's the quantity of output? थोड़ा जल्दी. सामने लिखा है ना, what is the quantity of output? 20 unit. 20 unit equal to 20 unit. लिखो. Equal to 20 unit. अभी आप देखो point B. Point B में what is happening? लिखो OL1 plus OK1. OL1, look here. OL1 plus OK1. Output कितना है? 20. Perfectly right. Output will be same. Output is remaining the same because it is isocont. Output will not change. I am asking you, what is the difference between point A and point B? Output is same, but something is different. Right. Point A to B में क्या difference देखा आपने? A to B में labor is increasing. देखो आप, labor is increasing. OL से OL1 होता है. बराबर. Capital को क्या होता है? देखो उधर या कैपिटल को क्या होता है, पहला ओके था, अभी O1 हो गया, देखो कैपिटल इज डिक्रीजिंग एंड लेबर इज इंक्रीजिंग. व्हाट डज इट मीन? ज्यादा यूनिट ऑफ लेबर को मिलने के लिए कैपिटल को कम करना पड़ेगा, so that output will remain the same. I am repeating, when the producer wants more unit of labor, he has to reduce the unit of capital, because दोनों एक साथ he cannot increase. मैडम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? If he wants to increase both unit of labor and capital, उतना पैसा उसके पास होना चाहिए. He is not having. Resources are limited. So if he wants to increase the labor, he has to reduce the capital. उसके वजह से आइसोकॉन्ट इज डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग. क्या कहानी समझ में आया? देखो आइसोकॉन्ट IQ is downward sloping. You understood? Question is why IQ is downward sloping? At point A, producer is using OL plus OK unit and producing 20 unit of output. At point B, producer is producing 20 units of output by changing labor and capital. So we can see that labor is increasing, but capital is decreasing. So एक बढ़ाने के लिए दूसरा कम करना पड़ेगा. उसके वजह से आइसोकॉन्ट इज डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग. नेक्स्ट देखो आप, you can see here. Isocont is downward sloping because in order to keep the output constant, हमारा सबसे challenging job is this. Constant के उधर लिखो same. Constant के उधर लिखो same. To keep the output constant, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? To increase one unit, you have to decrease the other unit. The amount of one factor is increased, the quantity of other factor must be reduced. नीचे लिखो. Isocont is downward sloping because A B करके लिखो. A point A. Isocont is downward sloping because first point A, output has to be remains the same. Output has to be remains the same. Bracket में लिखो 20 units. Bracket में लिखो 20 units. नीचे लिखो. When producer is increasing the labor, he has to decrease the capital. So that output remains the same. Output remains the same. पढ़ो एक बार, समझ में आता है या नहीं देखो. Do you understand why the isocont is downward sloping? कोई पूछने पर क्या आंसर देगा? Output is remaining the same. Then कौन सा फैक्टर को बढ़ाता है? Labor. When the labor has to be increased, what the producer should do? Capital has to be reduced. Perfect. Now we are going to discuss second feature. This is little difficult. Isoconts are convex to the origin. देखो, isoconts are convex. Convex, draw the diagram. This is the meaning of convex. Normal demand curve. Convex means normal downward sloping. Isoconts are convex to the origin. थोड़ा problematic है. You can look at this table. ये table पर हम थोड़ा बाद में आएगा, बुक में लिखो, आइसोकॉन्ड इज कॉन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन बिकॉज ऑफ MRTS LK, LK नीचे लिखो, MRTS LK, LK थोड़ा नीचे, MRTS LK underline. Isocond is convex to the origin because of MRTS LK. Madam, what is this MRTS? कोई मैं explain करने वाला है, लिखो. MRTS means marginal rate of technical substitution. Marginal, इसका भी full form पूछेगा. Marginal rate of technical substitution of labor and capital. Of labor and capital. Marginal rate of technical substitution of labor and capital. अभी वो एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आपको ये टेबल बराबर समझ में आना चाहिए और ड्रॉ करना भी पड़ेगा. देखो, how many factors? 2 factors, labor and capital, no change. This table आपने ऑलरेडी पहले ड्रॉ किया कि वही टेबल है. कॉम्बिनेशन ABCD. ओके, लेबर को अभी देखो, फर्स्ट यूनिट आप देखो 1L plus 15K, that is the first one. Output is 20. Absolutely no confusion, ये वाला. This column is blank. अभी नेक्स्ट में देखो, लेबर कितना यूनिट इंक्रीज होता है? 1 यूनिट. 1 become 2. So कितना इंक्रीज हो गया? 1. So आप बीच में डालो +1. +1 किधर से मिला? 1 + 1 is 2. 1 + 1 is 2. देखा या नहीं? हाँ. कैपिटल को क्या हुआ? कितना कम हुआ? देखो बोलने पड़ेगा. कैपिटल 4 किधर से मिला? 15 - 11 डालो -4. -4. आलिस इन द वंडरलैंड के जैसा देखना नहीं. इधर 15 था, बाद में 11 हो गया. कितना कम हुआ? 4. सो -4 कम हुआ ना, इंक्रीज नहीं हुआ. 15 19 होने पर +4 डालता था, ये 15 11 हुआ है -4. अभी सामने देखो, 4:1. वो टेबल देखो, 4:1. 4 क्या है? कैपिटल. 4 कैपिटल है, 1 क्या है? लेबर. दिस इज नोन एज MRTS, मार्जिनल रेट ऑफ टेक्निकल सब्स्टिट्यूशन. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 4 यूनिट ऑफ कैपिटल में आपको देगा, अब मेरे को क्या देगा? 1 यूनिट ऑफ लेबर. 4 यूनिट ऑफ कैपिटल आई एम रेडी टू गिव टू यू, लेकिन आप मेरे को देगा 1 यूनिट ऑफ लेबर. दैट इज नोन एज 4:1. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट में देखो, लेबर कितना इंक्रीज हो गया? 1. चलो +1. मैडम किधर से आता है? देखो ना, 2 3 हो गया. 2 + 1 is 3. फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है. +1 मिला. +1 कुछ इश्यू नहीं. उधर देखो, उधर क्या हो गया? 11 has become 8. कितना कम हुआ? 3 नहीं, -3 डालो. -3 -3 समझ में आया गर्ल्स को? -3. अभी सामने देखो, कितना मिला? 3:1. 3 कैपिटल मैंने दिया, ये देखो एक एक्स्ट्रा लेबर मिला. 3 कैपिटल दिया, एक एक्स्ट्रा लेबर मिला. अभी फिर लेबर के पास आओ, +1. 3 + 1 4. ये साइड में देखो, -2 बोलो मत बच्चे लोग. -2 कम हुआ है. -2 देखो, 8 - 6 और 6 - 8 -2. अभी भी ऐसा देखने पर इधर क्या मिला आपको? 2:1. समझ में आया या नहीं आया? ओके, अभी आप देखो लास्ट कॉलम देखो, MRTS 4:1, 3:1, 2:1. ये क्या होता है? पुट डाउनवर्ड एरो. MRTS is decreasing. सबसे important point है वो, MRTS is decreasing. देखो ना, पहले 4:1 था, बाद में 3:1 था, then become 2:1, आगे जाने पर 1:1 हो जाएगा. So it is decreasing. और नीचे लिखो, isocont is convex to the origin. Isocont is convex to the origin because of isocont is convex to the origin because of इधर लिखता है diminishing MRTS. Diminishing मतलब कम होना. Diminishing MRTS LK. KL लिखने पर wrong होगा. Diminishing MRTS LK. समझ में आया होगा. LK का मीनिंग क्या है? I know that there is labor and capital. That's not my question. MRTS का full form क्या है? Marginal rate of technical substitution. अब देखो LK. I'm asking you one interesting question. What the producer is substituting for what? Listen to the question. What the producer is substituting for what? Producer ने कौन सा factor substitute करता है किसके लिए? This is the question. कौन सा factor substitute करता है किसके लिए? Producer is substituting capital. Capital substitute करता है किसके लिए? Labor के लिए. Perfect. नीचे लिखो. Producer is substituting capital for additional unit of labor. For additional unit of labor. Additional unit of labor. Bracket में लिखो 4:1, 3:1, वो टेबल वाला. 4:1, 3:1, 2:1. Time is over. We will repeat this tomorrow.